Yeah, you're welcome to 2020. My name is Helen or Rachel V. Today I would like us to do a vision board or go through my vision board for 2020, and I know this is going to be a great year for everyone. Okay, who is a visionary? A visionary is a person who is constantly thinking about or planning the future with imaginations or wisdom. He or she is a creative person and full of advanced thoughts. You know, you're thinking about thoughts that will advance you to your next level and all whatnot. You're thinking about how to grow your business, how to better your family, how to move from point A to point B, how to be better off in general. You know, therefore, a vision board is, if I'll put in my word, it is plotting down the creativity and all the, beautiful things you want to see in your life, your mindset onto a board. To be successful, you need God to validate that vision. Don't get it twisted. Yes, you have a vision in mind. You need God to validate it. Now, having said that, your vision has to be visible. You need to be able to get it out of your book, your head rather, and put it on paper, put it on your board, put it on your digital, on your physical board. You need to to think outside the box and take it out whenever you get any thought. Put it down. You need to learn to journal things down this 2020. Your vision needs a vessel. Are you willing to be that vessel that will move your vision from this point in your life to the next level? You must be willing. Internally, you have to tell yourself the truth. You need to tell yourself the truth that, okay, at this point in my life, I want to move from point A to point B and actually walk towards it. Your vision has to be vast. It has to be bigger than you. It has to be something that keeps you awake at night. It has to be something that makes you hungry for success. Yeah. And like I said before, it has to be valid from God. You don't want to waste your time creating a vision. At the end of the day, you don't see it come to pass. Your vision is a verb. Having said that, you need to work out your vision. Yeah, so briefly, I want to take us around what I did for myself. This is my vision board. If you can see it, this is my vision board for 2020. You see that? 2020 vision board. I hope you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to run you through it. Over here I have a house. It's a beautiful home that I wish to have this 2020. I might not get exactly what it looks, but it means I'm going to try and buy a house. Then far here I have a car. It's a beautiful car. Can you see that? Okay, I'm thinking, at some point I will want a very lovely car. And then over here is my book. You all know that I'm a writer, but I never actually got it out in the public. I actually tried once while back in Nigeria, but over here in the US, I'm working on it. I'm going to make it happen. That's why I put it there, make it happen. That's my book. And here I'm going to try to make sure my closet, my working closet, is very organized. Far down I have like a cruise that I want to go to. I want to go to a cruise. I want to visit Nigeria. I want to go see my family, see my kids. I want to be a global trotter. And over here I have I want to have like an online store. That's why I put fashion, and everything there. I want to have like an online store. I will sell on Amazon and everything. Yeah, I'm sharing my vision with you, but you gotta be careful who you tell your vision to, by the way. So over here, I'll come back to that. Hold on to that thought. This is the timepiece. Like I want to be able to manage my time rightly. And then over here, that's my money management. I need to be able to manage my money. And if you look over here as well, I have prioritize my money, growth, get out of debt. I need to go into strategic partnership this year. And then we move over to sorry. I'm going to give you an overview. I put it probably on my Facebook or my Instagram page so you look at it properly. And then I have family. I want love, fresh beginning, beautiful start, save the date and whatnot. Then over here, this is very important to me. This is like my Boss and Heal, my gathering. I have like an NGO back in Africa that I'm co-founding. But this is my own project. It's called Boss and Heals Network. So I want to have a network where I'll have people sit together and we'll talk about how to improve our lives. And then over here you see Shine On. This is a personality. It might not be her, but she is a writer. Can you see that? She's a writer, she's a producer, she's an overachiever. So this is what I wish for myself this 2020. And then I want to be able to, lose weight. I want to go to the gym. I want to work out. I want to live healthy. I want to eat natural stuff. And over here I have like food. I want to eat good food. Yeah. So the doctors tell me that, girl, you need to watch what you eat. So I want to take it really serious this 2020. Did I miss anything? Okay. I want to do my MBA. Over here, I put my MBA over there. Then I didn't leave out God. I want God. God is moving in my life, and it's very evident, in everything I do. Did I leave anything out? I doubt that. So I have like beautiful write-ups, like picture perfect. I have beautiful things I tell myself I did it. I'm happy, So and then this one over here, it says there's nothing that I won't do. I haven't lost the passion. Yeah, so there's nothing I won't do. I haven't lost, but I want to be fun this year. I want to be a better mother. I want to work on my relationship with people, and everything. So this year, 2020, which is a beginning of a beautiful decade. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my blouse. Yeah. I want to work on myself, basically. I want to be doing this. I promise myself that I want to encourage people, especially young ladies in Africa, that most people my age group and younger. I want to let you know that it is workable, it's doable. I used to say these things a lot. Yeah, but right now I want to teach you how to get it. And yeah, this is me working on my YouTube page and trying to reach out, and never forgetting that everything I planned out without God, it is nothing. So I want to wish you a well 2020 beyond. I want to wish you success. I want to encourage you to go ahead and do your vision board and tag me at Boss in Heels Network. My Instagram handle, personal Instagram handle was Helen Orechobi or Unique Bell. Tag me and let's see how we can move this boat forward. I am a moving train. I never stop. I'm unbreakable. I'm unbeatable. I'm here. I'm better. I'm bigger. I'm wiser. And I'm of successful seed. See you at the top. God bless. Bye.